Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, February 14th. It's St. Valentine's Day, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we had a crappy day today, but rather talk too much about our crappy day. I'll show you um, the long shot on the Dow here. Uh, Maybe trying to cheer myself up here a little bit. This is, I've showed you this several times before, but it is pretty interesting here. Back here, this is the end of September, and that was our all time market highs. And then you see this gradual slide, well, not always so gradual, but the sell off climaxed starting at the beginning of November down to Christmas. And this is the Christmas low right down here. And then you can see this very significant rally up until today, which is St. Valentine's Day. So, Christmas is St. Valentine's, that looks fabulous. And we've made definitely made some money on this rally. Not quite as much as I would like to, but still, we've done pretty well with this. Uh, right now, where we stand today on the close, we are about 4,500 points from the Christmas low here, and we're only 1,500 points from the all-time high. So, pretty good chance we're going to get to that all-time high fairly soon. But I always caution people that it doesn't mean this most recent rally couldn't put in a little correction here and then start moving higher after it shakes some people out of the market. That's just the way markets move. But this looks very good regardless. Okay, about today, yeah, we had six positions coming in. They were crappy yesterday, and they stayed crappy for our exits today. Uh, we ended up closing out $2,500 negative. That's about what we had yesterday on the close. Uh, that I'm okay with. You know what I like after having bad closeouts, I like to get into new stuff with the idea that we can make that loss up the next day. Well, it didn't happen today. We got into 7 new positions. Only one of those is positive, 6 are negative, and we're carrying negative $3,200 going into tomorrow. Now, neither of these losses are very big, and I'm not going to lose sleep over this, but it's just when you have 7 positions and 6 are negative and only 1 positive. Not very likely tomorrow we're going to make up for anything, and there's always a possibility that negative $3,200 could become more severe if this thing goes south tomorrow. But I still am encouraged by this strength here of the Dow. Okay, as far as having good stocks to show you, I have no good stocks to show you. I'll show you one of the bad ones to show you my frustration today. This is LCI, which is Lanet Company. And we got into this right out of the gate this morning. When I got up here, we're up over $2,000. Not a spectacular trade, but yet we're showing some good profits. And then in the middle of the day, it just goes limp, and we end up, I think, down about $100 on the close. And then we had another one, NVTA, which is in VTE, and we had that coming in, and that thing just, we were long that stock coming in. It took off like a bird right at the big on the open, and we were up like over $3,000 in that thing. I actually am putting that on the website, a screenshot of that, up over $3,000, and then like 15 to 30 minutes later, when we get out, we're down about $700. So that's just the way it went today. Yeah, but you have those days. It's not catastrophic by any means, but I hope we maybe have a better day tomorrow. Then again, tomorrow's Friday. Fridays are famous for crappy days. So, regardless, Trader Bob will be trading tomorrow. I'll see you then.